How to enable the always on display settings for your Amazfit Balance or other Amazfit smartwatch. Basically, always show time when your screen is off. So let's go ahead and get started. From the clock face view mode like this here, swipe down from the very top until you see all the additional toggles here. You will see the settings here. As you tap on settings there, you want to go to the display option. And when you're in the display option, you'll see all the display settings. So from here, you'll go down until you see always on. As you enter here, you have two options. So you got the style. So the style basically allows you to choose your clock face that you already have set as your main clock face, or if you want, go to where it says style selection, and it's going to give you something a bit more different. All right, so you got these different options, and you'll notice these have some lighter design, and that's because the always on display, when it's on, it's going to use up a bit more battery life. So you don't want that much colors being projected all the time on your display. So go ahead and select it now. Then when you are done with this section here, you can just swipe back like this, then go back to the enable status. This is going to turn it on for you. You have the smart one, which is going to enable the screen display time during screen off, which severely reduces the battery life here. And of course, you don't want this thing to be on all the time. You have a schedule setting where you can set it to turn on based on a specific time. You can go into here, you have your start time, and you also have, when you press the arrow going this way, you'll get the end time. And once you set that, it'll turn on and off based on what you set it there. Then the other one is the all day. That's going to be all day long, doesn't turn off once your screen is off. It's going to go into the always on, and you also have the off mode here. So once we're done here now, and we're done with everything here, our screen enters into the off state. I'll let it go into the off state so you can see it. So once it enters into the always on display mode, you'll see that specific style you have selected earlier, which is the one I showed you. And you can go back and change to these other styles if you want to, or keep it as the actual clock face that you have set. And that's that. You can change these at any given time, like and sub.